Dear friends, I'd like us to begin today by asking ourselves honestly, the last time I was angry, how did I feel? Some might say, my heart was racing, my palms were sweaty, my breath was quick, my hands were shaking. Others might describe it as having a fire burning in the chest, an urge to lash out or respond immediately. Anger is one of those emotions that comes quickly and powerfully, so much so that we often don't realize just how much harm it can cause us. Many people think anger is just a normal part of being human. You get angry, and then it passes. But what's truly concerning is that anger rarely comes alone. It almost always brings along negative thoughts and unwise actions. Think about it. When you're angry, have you ever said or done something you later regretted? Harsh words you wish you could take back, actions that hurt the people around you, or even harm you caused yourself. All of this happens because we let anger take control. Let me share something with you. Medical researchers have found that when we're angry, our blood pressure spikes, our heart beats faster, our muscles tense, and our immune system weakens. If this happens often, the body wears down more quickly, like a machine that's constantly overworked until it breaks before its time. Put simply, anger can damage our health faster than many serious illnesses. But the damage to our mind and heart can be even greater. Anger is like toxic smoke slowly filling the heart, making us see the world in a darker light, treating others as enemies and eroding compassion and understanding. The more often we get angry, the harder our heart becomes, sometimes so much that we unknowingly push away the very people we love. We often think, I'm angry because they made me angry. But if we look closer, anger actually arises from our own mind's refusal to accept what has happened. It's like holding a burning coal, waiting for the chance to throw it at someone else. But while we wait, our own hand is burning first. I've seen people who try to do good, give, help others, live kindly, but still carry anger in their hearts. The result is that even though they're doing good outwardly, inwardly, their mind never truly finds peace. It's like pouring water into a bucket with a hole in the bottom. The water never fills. So ask yourself, are we really willing to let a few minutes of anger destroy years of health, relationships, and inner peace? Are we willing to let anger control our words and actions only to regret them later? If we think it's fine, anger comes and goes, it's like allowing termites to live in our home, quietly eating away at the structure until one day the house collapses and there's no one to blame but ourselves because we allowed it. Anger doesn't just hurt the present, it can damage our future. Every action driven by anger plants seeds of suffering. Bad causes lead to bad results, just like planting poisonous seeds and expecting sweet flowers. It simply can't happen. If we let anger live in our heart, it's like keeping an enemy inside our own home. And this enemy is worse than many physical illnesses because it not only harms the body, it slowly eats away at the soul. So, dear friends, now that we see how anger harms us, the next question is, how can we deal with it? Because anger isn't something we can prevent from arising completely. It's a natural human emotion. But what we can do is become aware of it and not let it stay in our heart for long. Think of anger like a guest visiting your home. Some guests drop by and leave quickly, but if we invite them to stay, serve them tea, and make up the bed for them, they'll settle in for days, months, even years. Our heart then becomes a place where anger lives. So we must learn to tell it, you can come, but you can't stay long. One of the simplest ways to handle anger is to pause. Pause your thinking, pause your words, pause your actions, especially in the heat of the moment. If we allow the body to follow our emotions, our mouth will say things it shouldn't, and our hands will do things we'll regret. Breathing can help a lot. Take a slow, deep breath in, count from 1 to 5, and then exhale gently. Repeat 3 to 5 times, and you'll notice your mind cooling without even trying. Another powerful way is to shift your perspective. Anger often comes from seeing an event from only one angle. For example, if someone speaks to us in a loud voice, we might think they're disrespecting us. But from another angle, maybe they're in a rush, anxious, or facing their own troubles that we can't see. Seeing it this way softens the heart, and the anger fades. Remember, forgiving someone doesn't mean saying what they did was right. It means telling ourselves, I will not let what they did continue to harm my heart. It's like dropping the burning coal. The sooner we drop it, the sooner we're free from the heat. In Buddhist teaching, the Buddha advised us to use loving kindness to extinguish anger. Loving kindness isn't just about speaking gently or smiling. It's the sincere wish to avoid harming others, to wish them well, and to hope they're free from suffering, even if they've hurt us before. Loving kindness is like cool water poured over a fire. The flames go out without force. Never forget, anger has never brought anyone true victory. Even if we win against someone with sharp words or strong actions, we lose to ourselves, losing our peace, our health, and our good relationships. The real victory is to master our own heart, to let go of anger before it consumes us. If you start practicing from today, pausing, observing, and letting go each time anger arises, you'll notice that anger will slowly lose its power, like a plant that withers when it's no longer watered. And one day, you'll discover that true happiness doesn't come from having no problems at all, but from having a heart that is no longer ruled by them.